Hello, what is up everyone? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the 2023 Nissan Z, and it has its official name right now because yeah, you remember the Nissan Z back in the early of 2022. Well, it was originally named the Nissan Z Proto, and now it has been changed to 2023 Nissan Z, or also known as the 400Z. So yeah, number 3 out of 10 from Hot Wheels J Imports. Number 46 over 250. By the way, this is from the B and C case of 2023. So let's go ahead and open this up. But before that, let's go back to early 2023 and let's just check what we have for the Nissan Proto. And yes, this is the first original color of the Nissan Z Proto. We'll just talk through the first one. So here's the first one in the Ikazuchi Yellow Pearl. Sorry if I said the Ikazuchi wrongly. But yeah, pretty nice color. That was the first release in this year, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, that was the first launch of the Nissan Z. At that time, it was called Nissan Z Proto. Next, we have this one in Everest White Pearl. And as you can see, it has the bronze wheels, as you can see right there, in chrome. Pretty nice one. Didn't expect this color to release, but yeah, it's quite fine. And then we have the twin Car Culture Twin Pack one that I've done a review of. Go check it out if you want. It's in my channel as well. And yeah, that is the Car Culture one. And now, hold on, let me check this out. And now we have this one in this awesome looking Siran Blue Metallic. Sorry if I said the name wrong. I'm not so sure. I think you pronounce it Siran Blue Metallic, which yeah, looks pretty insane. I love the color that they've used right here. This is based on the actual car color. So yeah, let's take a look at the car itself. Obviously, there's no more Nissan Z Proto in this one, so basically it's already been the official release name, obviously, of course, Nissan Z and 400Z. So let's take a look at the side right here. Blacked out rims, which look pretty cool. I did say they could have done blacked out rims for the yellow and white version, but I think this car in this color, I mean the rims, looks better. Obviously, clean side profile, as you can see right there. Moving on to the front, obviously you have the headlights, you have the rectangular grille right there. Obviously, the front is shaped out of the what's that, 240Z if I'm not mistaken, the original Nissan Z, obviously. Yeah, you have the crease on the hood, obviously, of course, that they intend to do that on the hood, which is pretty cool. Moving on to the back, obviously you have the tail lights, which are quite interesting, and the Nissan logo right there. Of course, you have the transparent, I mean, like, it's a bit tinted a bit. It's quite dark in there. I'm not sure the interior is black or not. I think so. Similar to the previous Nissan Z Protos, you have the same type of roof that they used right there. You can see right there. Pretty nice. Overall, I'm quite happy that they've made this into the beautiful looking Siran blue. I kind of like the color, and well, it looks more matured looking, you know. Obviously, sorry to say this to super fans, obviously many people admitted that this is better than a Toyota Supra, the newer version, because you know, for its horsepower. Of course, this has 400 horsepower, which is quite insane, and it costs nearly 400 grand, which to me is quite a good deal, not gonna lie, for the real life version, of course. But yeah, it's rumored to be releasing in its metallic red, which yeah, I'm quite excited for, because I am not so sure whether that metallic red will be a what do you call that? What's the name of that one? There's one series which I forgot. It's available for the US. I'm not sure, Target or Walmart. It's the red and white type of cars. But yeah, there you go. Let me know what you think about the Nissan Z Proto or the 2023 Nissan Z, or you can call it the 400Z if you want. But yeah, it's more of like a modernized 300Z or maybe 240Z to 320Z. Pretty nice. Love the fact that it has 3 colors now, and hopefully the red one would be great as well. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you on my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.